Wish I couldn't say I saw this coming from a mile away. I know that something's wrong. Guess I knew it all along. I swear I did my best, but something's missing. Maybe I'm obsessed with trying to fix it all, and maybe that's my fault.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's decluttering and organizing video here in the nursery. If you saw my last video, then you saw me transform this room from the hoarder's paradise that it had become to what is now a clean slate for baby girl. Today's video is going to be a lot of decluttering and organizing her things, but I thought that I would start off by giving you a little bit of a sneak peek of some of the furniture that we are putting into the space. I am absolutely in love with her crib and her rug, and this dresser that you see my husband putting together is actually my grandma's dresser. This dresser is very special to me. My grandma passed away 6 years ago, and she actually raised me as her own, so I am super excited to be able to implement one of her furniture pieces in baby girl's room. But throughout today's video, you'll get a few sneak peeks of what's to come in terms of nursery decor, but don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I will be doing a full decorate with me video to show you the design and exactly how this room's coming together. I am so excited about it. But we're going to start off today's video by cleaning up this dresser, and then we are going to get into decluttering and organizing a bunch of things for baby girl.
You keep on acting like my love is like a jacket, I can take it off. And I keep dancing around your number, know you'll answer, so I never call. I can see it in your eyes, yeah, I can tell that you've been crying.
Like I said, this is my grandma's dresser, and honestly, it has not been used since her death. It still has her original contact paper that she laid down inside it, and it's just so sentimental and special, but it did need a good and thorough clean. So I'm just using my Thieves all-purpose cleaner, as I always do, to get this dresser all cleaned up. I love that it's all natural cleaner here in the nursery, and it's not going to harm this antique piece. Y'all, this dresser is literally like making the design of this nursery, and I cannot wait to share all of the fun things when it comes to decor with you all. But I'm going to start out by just unpacking these organizing bins that I got off of Amazon. This pack actually came with like a set of, I think it was 6 or 7 bins, and they were all various sizes, and I thought that they would be great to put in some of those larger drawers just to organize baby girl's things.
And it's not even fair to act like I don't care. Call me wicked, I can take it. If it helps, then you can hate me.
If you saw my previous video, then we left off here. I had actually gone through all of the clothes that we had for baby girl, and I had organized them by type in various bins in her closet until I could get to them at a later time. What you did not see behind the scenes is that I actually took these clothes downstairs bin by bin and washed the items, and I decided that instead of just like undoing what I had already done and washing all the clothes as a whole, that I would just keep them in their designated bins and wash them by type. That way I wasn't having to reorganize again. But right now I'm just going through the first bin, which are just various pants that I have accumulated, I have bought. Some of these are hand-me-downs, etc. I'm going through them, looking at sizes, and then deciding exactly the best route to organize these so they'll be ready and easily accessible once she gets here.
Little do you know, just because I leave doesn't mean I wanna go. Everybody loves you, I'm no exception. I want the best for you, just to keep you guessing. Oh, I know you're better off, but tell me we're my best friend. I'm not on my next yet, I just need some space. Won't you take all your things back? It's not that I don't miss you, I just can't be with you.
I did want to take a moment and introduce myself to any of you who may be stopping by my channel for the first time. My name is Sarah, and As you can tell, I am very pregnant with a sweet baby, and I actually am pregnant with baby number 6. So right now we have 4 boys and 1 girl, and this sweet little baby is a baby girl, and we cannot wait to welcome her sometime next month. Y'all, I'm currently 32 weeks pregnant, and I'm feeling it. The heat of the summer is getting to me. The last time that I was pregnant in the summer was actually with my first child, so that was almost 11 years ago. I was 22/23 at the time, and I can tell you that those 11 years have made a world of difference when it comes to like the comforts of pregnancy, especially in the heat of the summer. I am trying my best to be a fun mom this summer, but I am dragging. But I've also been married to my husband for almost 12 years. Our anniversary is in a couple of weeks, and here on my channel you will find weekly cleaning motivation of some sort. Right now, I will admit my cleaning motivation is pretty diminished because I am so pregnant. I'm kind of waiting for that nesting urge to kick in, and I feel like I could bring a really good like nesting video. But I also love to share motherhood and lifestyle content as well as some pregnancy content. My goal is once I hit about 35, 36 weeks to kind of do a baby watch series on my channel where I bring a few extra videos a week, and some of those will be more like day in the lives, kind of sharing how I'm doing as we near labor, what my labor plans are, etc. Just lots of fun videos to come. But if you are interested in any of that content, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you join my YouTube family. I'm also going to be sharing a nursery decor video because I love sharing decor and renovation content on my channel. It's actually my biggest passion when it comes to content that I create over here. But that's enough rambling. Let's get back into the organizing. But I'm so happy that you're here.
I'm always looking for that light in the shadow. Always been wandering through darkness. I'm always listening for a sound to follow, waiting for something to begin.
So these little organizing bins have worked out amazing, and I'm actually going to link those in the description box below for you if you're looking for anything like that. But now we are heading into the mess of sleepers. This was probably the most overwhelming of the clothing to organize, and it took me a long time, so this is the sped up version. But I went ahead and just went through the sleepers and organized those by type as well. A little hack that I have learned in my mom years over the last 11 years is that you need a bin of stuff for your newborn that you actually keep in your bedroom. Because I don't know about you all, but basically the first couple months of my baby's life, they basically stay in my bedroom. So I always love to set up like kind of like a newborn station in there. I will be sharing a video all about that in the weeks to come. But I made sure that I got all of her newborn sleepers, her newborn gowns, her swaddles, etc., and put those in a bin that I'm actually going to organize and put into my master bedroom. But now I'm moving on to the fun stuff, which is the bows. Y'all, we have been gifted so many adorable bows by friends and family members, and I still had a ton of bows left over from when McKinley was a baby. And a girl can never have enough bows, right? Like, I'm so excited. After having boy after boy after boy and not having a baby girl for almost 9 years, it is so exciting to bring the bows back out. So right now I am just going through them and kind of organizing them by type or band size, I should say. I had a lot of like the little rubber band bows. I had some of like the bigger ones, etc. And I figured that I would just organize those by size in these tiny bins and keep those in her drawer.
Waiting for something to begin. I miss the mountains and I miss the oceans. Yeah, I miss the city and you. 'Cause I'm tired of this waiting and waiting for something that's somewhere just out of my view. I wanna go
So this is the finished view of the drawers for now. I feel like it is going to be so helpful that it's so organized and ready for her arrival. I basically only put clothing in here that will fit her the first month to 2 months of her life. That way I was not overwhelmed with all the various sizes. But after that, we are going to move on to her hanging clothes. I did share an entire baby girl clothing haul in one of my latest videos, so I will be sure to link that in the cards right here. But I wanted to go ahead and get all of these clothes hung up. That way I can start organizing them in her closet. And like I said, this is just a sneak peek of what's to come in her nursery. I did not completely finish organizing on this particular day, so there's not a great before and after, but it's going to be a continuous process. So there are a few more organizing videos to come, as well as a decorate with me / nursery reveal. So like I said, please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you are interested in any of that content. And I just have a lot of exciting videos coming up in the near future. I cannot wait to share her birth vlog with you all. I'm really hoping that we can get some good footage and just make that video super special. So just lots of fun content to come. But I am so freaking excited and so ready for the end of August to be here. I feel like there's nothing like the last month of pregnancy. It lasts so long because you're anticipating so many things and you're so excited for baby's arrival. You're miserable because you're so pregnant, and honestly trying to chase 5 other kids around while being this pregnant, I feel like by the end of the day I'm just shocked. Any other mamas feel me? Let me know in the comments below if you also think that the last month of pregnancy is forever. But I'm going to go ahead and finish off this video by just going ahead and hanging up these clothes in the closet by size. And I have to tell you, I love seeing all of her sweet little clothes hanging in there. I cannot wait for her to be here. I mean, how many times have I said that this video? But thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know in the comments below that you stopped by, and I will see you all on the next one.